Today we are going to speak about school rules in different countries. Now exercise 1, page 13. What rules have you got in your school? Do you think the rules are the same in all schools around the world? Listen to the opinion.
In my school, we are not allowed to eat or drink or chew gum in class. I don't think that the rules are the same in schools all around the world.
Now let's listen to new words and write down them in your vocabularies. Listen and repeat.
corridor, packed lunch, polite, strange, switch off, tough, uniform.
Now let's listen and read the text about school rules around the world.
School rules around the world. Rules, rules, rules. All schools have rules, but they are not always the same. In some countries, students have to wear a uniform, but in others, they don't. Some schools have got very tough rules, and some schools have got strange rules. Let's find out what school rules are like in England and Kazakhstan.
Rules in England. My school has a lot of rules. We have to wear uniforms. We must switch off mobile phones during lessons. We mustn't run in corridors. We can bring a packed lunch or buy food from the school canteen if we need to. We can't leave school during lessons.
Rules in Kazakhstan. Here in Kazakhstan, we also have a lot of rules to follow. We must be in school by 8:30 a.m. and we mustn't be late. We should be polite to teachers, each other and visitors. We mustn't use mobile phones and other electronic equipment during lessons. We need to keep our classrooms clean and tidy.
What other school rules can you think of? Why do you think they are important?
Exercise 2. Read the text again and mark the sentence true, false or doesn't say. The first is Sally can't wear casual clothes to school. It is true. Let's watch in the text. She says we have to wear uniforms. In England, pupils can have a part-time job. Doesn't say because there is no information in the text. In Kazakhstan, pupils have to be at school after 8:30. It is false because they must be in school by 8:30 a.m. and mustn't be late. Pupils in Kazakhstan don't use mobile phones during lessons. It is true. Let's check. You see, we mustn't use mobile phones. Exercise 3. What are the rules at your school? Post your comments to the blog. Listen to the model.
There are many rules in my school. First, we have to wear a uniform to school. We mustn't be late for class. We can't eat or drink anything in class. We can bring a packed lunch or have school dinners in the canteen. We have to do our homework and hand it in on time.
Now let's remember modal verb. We use mustn't to express obligation and duty. For example, you must wear a uniform at school. It is the rule. Express prohibition. You mustn't eat in the classroom. You aren't allowed. We use need to express necessity. I need to talk to you. It is necessary. We use should to give advice. You should study more. It's a good idea. Now, in exercise 4, you are to read about schools in Japan. Rewrite sentence using must, mustn't, need, should. For example, it is necessary to get to school on time. You may write, you need to get to school on time. Finish this exercise in your copybook. It's your task.